All right, well, a new type of ETF hitting Wall Street focused on a single stock. And one of the first is a bearish bet on Tesla. Jared Blikre is here with a closer look at that. And Jared, we were just talking about Elon Musk. We didn't even mention, or didn't talk a lot about Tesla, I should say, in that last segment with Andy. But what can you tell us about this ETF? Because I think a lot of people who have hated on Tesla have been waiting for a chance to get this opportunity.
Thank you.
Yeah, and to be clear, investors can already short Tesla if they have a margin account, but this just makes it easier. All you have to do is click and buy this one ETF. You can short Tesla. Is that a good idea? I don't know. The timing might be bad, but I do have a chart prepared in the Wi-Fi Interactive, and we can see there are 8 new tickers here. Here's Tesla Q, interesting ticker. If you're a fan of Twitter, you probably know what that means. But you'll notice here, Tesla short 1 times leverage, no leverage to the downside, but Nvidia short 1.25 times leverage, and PayPal that goes up to 1.5 in both long and short. And then finally, Nike and Pfizer both have 2 times leverage leverage ETFs. Now, the approval process was interesting. Eric Balchunas, who's head of ETFs over at Bloomberg, he noticed that all of these came to market when they were filed with the SEC, that they actually had 2 times leverage. So somewhere in the process, SEC said, we got to tamp that down. But I have another chart here, and we're going to do some math. I'm writing about this so you don't have to concentrate too hard, but I just want to show the riskiness of some of these investments. If we take a hypothetical stock and it's 3 times leverage ETF, and we just kind of chop around with some volatile action, let's say they both begin at $100. And then let's say we have a 20% up day followed by 2 10% down days, a 20% up, a negative 20, a negative 10, another 20. At the end of the day, guess what? The stock is worth $100.78, basically flat. Guess what? The ETF lost 40% of its value. So with that having been said, I just want to show what the new Tesla Short, Tesla Q ETF has done in comparison to Tesla. And you can see it is perfectly the inverse image over these last 2 trading days, Shauna.
All right, interesting stuff there, Jared. It makes me a little bit nervous, to be honest, to invest in something like that. Jared Blikre, thanks so much.